Let's go.
Once upon a time, we share the stories of old. Bring the book to life in a way never told. Let's go for a ride, never let go. Fresh fairy tales, the top of the show. Fresh fairy tale.
Let's go.
In between, here's a little tale about a young brown queen.
It might be familiar to some or to all, but here's a true tale of the Belle of the Ball.
Stepmother, sisters, a slipper made of glass, a prince with a crown and a mighty fine
smile. A mighty fine smile.
Oh yeah, gotcha. PG version ASAS.
The Cinderella remix, really quite the flipper, about the girl who couldn't fit the glass slipper.
Boys, too cool for school and true choice for the boys.
My birthday, so you know I'm about to party. Take it easy, cause tomorrow's White Sunday. Hopefully tonight I find my one true lover and film TikToks together. 22, double O, brother. 22, double O, brother.
Hey, my name's Prince.
I know who you are.
Oh. You alright?
Yeah.
Hey, those are the severe ones. Woo, it's getting severe up in here. Everybody's got those. Peep these. Severe 4s, the latest.
Oh, Flash guy. We get it. Your dad uses the church's money to buy them.
Sad guy.
Just joking, man. For the kata.
I bet your severe ones can't take it out on the dance floor.
Oh, yeah?
She just my type, maybe I'm a wife. It's a good night when I'm beside her. I'm feeling like I'm running out of things to say, cause I'm lost in the way that her hips be swaying, yeah, yeah. Baby, I know why you do what you do, cause I can't find a way to love you. Baby, I know why you do what you do, cause I can't find a way. What do we do?
OMG, I have to go to sleep before Local.
My dad said home before 9.
OMG, I forgot to take the chicken out.
Wait. I didn't get your name.
It's Sina.
Sina!
Yeah?
Wait, everyone's name is Sina?
Oh! Hey, watch where you're going. Sols, it was an accident.
Maybe your feet are the accident.
Rude.
Let's go, let's go. Off to work we go. Let's go, let's go. Off to work we go. Hold! When I find the beautiful person that fits this shoe, they will be my true lover and will no longer need to lift a finger. Unless she needs to go down the road and get me some donuts or something, you know, because I'm busy with royal duties.
Oos, I don't think we'll find any here in Brownsville. Do you know what they say about the peeps of Brownsville?
Yeah, big feet, big hips.
Big teeth, big lips.
Big hands, big hairs.
More to love, I don't care. Now, go and knock on all these houses and get every person to try on the severe ones. We have till church starts this morning. Love it. Let's go, let's go.
off to work we go.
Streets are quiet today, which means no one made it home before curfew. Unlucky. How was the ball?
It was nice. I met a boy.
Oh, a boy. Oh, that's nice, Sinarella. Boys are bad news, you hear me? Stay away from them, okay? No boys. Oh, but that's nice, you had a good time.
Don't worry, we're not Mormons. I'm Prince.
I know who you are.
Well, so I met this chick at the Po Siva last night, and I think she left her shoe behind. I was just trying to find her so I can give it back and maybe, I don't know, get her Insta, send memes to each other, do mukbangs together. Looking for the happily ever after 21st century love.
Oh, that's where my shoe is. Oh, thank goodness.
Oh, sorry, miss. I don't think I saw you at the youth Po Siva.
Yeah, Mama, what happened to no boys? Oh, darling, this here is no boy. This here is a prince. Oh, see, it fits.
Nice try, Mama.
Yes, it's your turn.
Oh, okay.
What?
We found Bigfoot! Sorry, sis. I guess you're feeling kinda defeated.
The size of those
Hey, that's scary, man.
Sorry about them, the idiots.
It's okay. Good luck. I hope you find the girl that you're looking for.
We found a match, Your Highness.
Let's go! Woo!
Mama, why do I have big feet?
It just means you're more grounded in the world, darling. And it's your dad's side.
Staring at the moon, wondering what you could be. All you could be. Pray for something new, a sign that change is coming.
Oh my gosh, sis! Sis! What happened to your toes? Did you get stung by a bee?
Do you need some back?
Hey, girl. Look, while you're down there, can you tell me how to get to Fobelina Lane? I'm looking to start a business. Do you smell that?
Sorry, what?
Darling, it smells like self-sabotage. Okay, look, whatever it is that you're going through, just keep your head up and push through. You can't wear a crown with your head down, darling. Okay, well, let's try something, shall we? I've got just the thing.
What is that?
Insect repellent. Hold on, sorry. Okay, let's try this. What are those? Am I talking to those or to...
It's hard to find shoes that fit.
I customize these myself. They're special, just like you.
Oh my gosh, they fit! Thank happened?
Someone took my purse. Well, that way, that way. Copy.
Get off me, Bigfoot!
Hey, that's the baddest Bigfoot in Brownsville to you, punk.
And that's how Sina, the baddest Bigfoot of Brownsville, became the biggest track star on the planet.
Sinarella, tell us all how you became the world's greatest track star.
Well, it all started when I couldn't fit the stupid shoe.
In between, here's a little tale about a young brown queen.
It might be familiar to some or to all, but here's a true tale of the belle of the ball.
Stepmother, sisters, a slipper made of glass, a prince with a crown and a mighty fine smile.